Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you Scratch Your Brain, which is again a brain teaser book that I've made for a friend's daughter, and I'm gonna show you the book quickly inside. Okay, so I've written a small note for her, and basically I've started with the graph activity here. If you see, I have mentioned the rows and columns for her to understand. I have kept the activities very simple because she's never tried these activities before, and her mom really wanted her to try the stuff that I do with Vivan. So that's like a pretty good way of giving. I think it's a pretty good gift for giving it to kids. And also, if you've been checking out my post on the community page, I actually wanted to ask you guys that I have been planning to come out with a brain teaser book for quite some time now, and first and along with some games that I've been developing. So guys, if you really think I should come up with the game and you guys will be interested to pick it up or buy or recommend to your friends, do leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, tell me that yes, I should go ahead with it, or if you think I should not go ahead with it, please do leave your comment and let me know what you feel about it. I really want to have a clear view to what my subscribers want, and do they think that my books will be anywhere useful to the kids if I come up with something pretty cost effective and something very colorful and nice for kids to explore. Guys, do let me know. Okay, now coming back to this graph activity includes all the instructions that you have, and along with that it says now you have to make a triangle right here, and one example has been done, which is A1, and then the other one she has to make a triangle, a small triangle on E4. So needs E and 4, she needs to make a triangle here. So that is activity number 1 for her. The second one is called mirror image activity, where again it's a grid. So she has to look at grid A, and now she has to make grid B exactly like grid A. And I have written the color swatches that she needs to use here, and also one I have done as an example here. So she needs to complete and check if they both are same. Great job. So she has to just do a mirror image of the activity. You can make it more complex, you can make it more easy by just doing like 2 or 3, or just taking like a 3 by 3 graph just to begin with. She's gonna be a 6-year old, so I thought, if let's see if she can try and do this. And her mom is gonna give me a pretty good feedback. I mean, she's gonna share the feedback of the book with me, and I will definitely tell you guys whatever the feedback would be. Okay, the next one is what was my number? I forgot, help me. So I have used very simple like 2 3 1 as a number, and she needs to solve the equation. Don't let it trick you. I've written it to her so that it should not trick her at all. And I think it will be great, as she knows that if this is 2, this is 3, this is 3 plus 2, then this and this. If this is 3 plus 2 is 5, this is 5. So this is 2 plus 5, which is 7. And then if this is 2, this is 1 plus what? Okay, if this is 2, this is 1 plus 1. Yeah, that's how it's 2. And then this plus this plus this becomes what? So I think it's a pretty fair deal, and it's a pretty cool game. Now it's the snails are going left and right. She needs to circle the snails who are going right, cross the snails who are going left. Now count the total number of snails, add 2 to the total number of snails, and write it here. So guys, these are some of my activities which have been a really hit in all my brain teaser activities. I've combined them all in one book, and I've tried to make it very simple just for her. Now you have half and half, which is complete the picture, half and half mirror image. I've made one as an example here. So like she needs to mirror image the same thing here, and she's pretty good with drawing, so I thought maybe there has to be like something which is coloring and drawing together, and she can color if she really wants to. The next one is, again, look at the graph instructions, look at the graph, observe the rows and columns. So it says rows and columns. Now look at the symbols below and write them, their grid location. So like the star is on F2 and F5. So I gave here 2 blocks, and I have done as an example. Now she needs to find all these shapes that are there on the grid. She needs to find their location, and she needs to do it. So there's no rush. She can maybe find one at one time, or maybe she can take help of her parents. The next one is addition is the mission. It's basically decoding. You have all these symbols, and I've coded them. Again, I have used very simple numbers like 1 2 3 4 5, nothing very complicated, nothing 2-digit or double-digit or triple-digit numbers for her, just so that she's doing it for the first time, and I just want to see how is she able to do it, whether she likes doing it. So that's why keeping it extremely simple, but yet colorful and quite catchy for her. Okay, the next one is navigate the child to the house using the directions below. So you have a house and you have a child here, and this is the path that you have to follow. It says 2 plus 1, which is 3, you have to go this side. So this is 2 plus 1, 3, you have to go this side. This is 1, 2, 3. Then it says 1 plus 1, you have to go up. 1 plus 1, so the pencil will go up and you go up straight here. Then it says 0 plus 1, go to this direction, so it will go here. And this child has been doing coding in the school because she studies with Vivan. I think they have done a lot of coding. I'm not sure how difficult this is going to be with her, but I thought, as just because it's a brain teaser, right, you have to like still tell your brain to like work a little extra here. These are not normal maths activities where you just write 1 and 1 is equal to 2 or 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. You have like combination of 2 or 3 things going together, so that's how your brain will work at multiple levels. Then you have Sophie went to the beach and saw something interesting. She has written a coded message about it, decoded. So it's a decoded message, and I've written the alphabets right here. She needs to decode and write them at the respective spot. It's not a pretty big message. It was a very simple nice message that she has to decode and write it here. The next one is combine the pictures and create real words. Say out loud. So she doesn't have to write, she just needs to combine them, and I have done it in my compound book. I have made a full book on this, which is called Compound Words, and I'm going to link up onto the video when you will see. If you want to check out the other video, you can definitely. There's a whole book that I've made just for compound words, and trust me, it's such a fun activity with kids. So this is like a starfish, that's a Batman, that's a cowboy, that's a girl fly, girl, I don't remember right now. Woman bee, busy bee, ladybug. Yeah, that's a ladybug. Perfect. That's a bookworm. So these are, I think,
Starfish.
Yeah, that's starfish. Hi, Vivan. You want to say hi, Vivan? Vivan, you're on the video. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay.
And that is bookworm.
Yeah, that's bookworm. Okay, hold on. Let me finish up the video and you can be here only. So the next one says make a total of 20 by connecting numbers, doing one example. So I have written all different combinations of making a 20. So I have done 14 plus 6. She can do like 10 plus 10 plus. There should be something else.
10.
There should be 10 plus 10, right? I don't see 10 plus 10. I have 20 plus 0. I have 19 plus 1 right away here.
No, can you only...
I have 15 plus 5.
Can you only do 2 or can you do like 1?
You can do as many as you want. You can make different combinations.
So you can be like 2, 11, 5, 9, this, that.
You can do as many combinations. You have to just make a total of 20 the way you want by connecting numbers.
And like, if you can just be like 6 plus 14 is 20, but suppose we need 30. So then we would, we would just add it to here. So we can add as many.
Yeah, only if you are doing 30. But it says you have to make 20. So you have to make different combinations of making it 30. You can also do like 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus this plus that. So you can do like multiple too. Okay, now an amazing beach day. Please create a story around these stickers and narrate to someone in the house. So I have created these... I've pasted these stickers for her so that she can build up a storyline around the beach day, and then she can narrate it to somebody in the house. Okay, the partners are looking for their counterpart. Use a pencil and connect each one to their partner. Example is done. It's a summer garden theme, so I've connected the snail and snail. I've kept it very simple in terms of connecting. If this would have been for Vivan, I would have used variations of different colors of snails, maybe different postures of the frogs and the bunnies to make it more tricky. But if she will be able to do it, then the next time if I create something for my book, I will create it a little more tricky.
And if like you just to make sure you remember where to start and the end, you can just do a little star, S on the star, and E on the end.
I did not understand what you said, Vivan. Sorry. Okay. The Martians have arrived. Can you try and copy their faces? So her mom told me that she likes to draw, and I saw her drawing. It's beautiful, and I think she can really try and copy their faces. And I've made different face expressions of the Martians, and I've done the first one as an example. She can try and do all the other ones in her way, or if she can try to match them as close as possible, it's gonna be great. Then the last activity is, of course, the matrix activity, which is Niketan inspired. The exercise may create some silly words too. I've written it here so that she knows that there is a chance that it can create silly words. I have done the first one as example. The next one, she will be able to figure it out by herself. And the next time is a scribble time, and then it says just thank you guys. So if you like this activity, guys, do let me know. And if you have feedback, and if you think that I should be able to go ahead and print a book for myself, please, I really need to know your thoughts. Do share your views. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. Sorry, you want to say something?
Look, there's some painted on the back.
Yeah, I there's this white paint which says love, live, and laugh. Yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.